If you've been stuck trying to figure out how to use your debit card for Netflix payments, you might feel frustrated. But here's the good news. It's easier than you think. So in this video, I'm going to show you 5 simple steps to get your Netflix subscription up and running. So first, you're going to make sure that your debit card is linked to your bank account. You're going to need this for the next step. Next, you're going to log into your Netflix account. Once you're there, go to the account section and click on payment method. Okay? Third, you're going to select debit or credit card as your payment method. You're going to enter your debit card number, expiration date, and security code. Fourth, make sure that you have enough funds in your account to complete the payment. Okay? Lastly, you're going to hit save and you're done. So you can now enjoy Netflix without any worries, and basically just don't let the confusion hold you back. Now that you know how, go ahead, make the payment. If you found this video helpful, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for being here. Love you. Ciao.